Hi friends, welcome back to another QBASIC tutorial, and today we are going to learn some basic statements and commands of QBASIC. Uh, these videos that I am making are basically for beginners who have just started learning QBASIC, and today I will be teaching you some of the basic commands and statements that I used in QBASIC for writing a program. First of all, the thing that we have to know is what is that is a program. So a program is a step-by-step set of instructions that is given to a computer. It uses a computer language to solve a problem. This computer languages has a set of rules that are to be followed. And in QBasic, the statements and commands describe the rules of QBasic programming language. So today we are going to learn some statements, commands of QBasic. So let's start. Alright, so first we have to know what is statements. What are statements? The statements are building blocks of a program. They are a set of instructions written in sequence to create a program. They are executed in the same order as they are written to obtain the result. Each statement contains at least one command. So now let's learn about some different statements that are used in QBasic programming. The first statement is the let statement. So let statement is basically used to assign a value to a variable. This statement can be used to assign a numeric or string constant to a variable, and it is an optional statement, that is you can use or you may not use this statement while writing a program. The syntax of let statement is as you can see on your screen, like this is the syntax actually of let statement. Now let's learn about what are constants and what are variables, because as we have learned about this let statement, it assigns a value to a variable and these things, so we have to learn about what is a variable and what is a constant. So constant is a data term whose value doesn't changes while executing a program. For example, 99, 88, computer science, information technology, these are all values. They can be a number, they can be string, and their value doesn't changes while execution of a program, right? Constant are of two kinds: numeric constant, which are numbers. They can be negative as well as they can be positive numbers. And the second is alphanumeric constant, which are string, that is they can be numbers or they can be alphabets also, and they are always enclosed within double quotes. Now second thing is what is variable. So variables are data items whose value changes while execution of a program. For example, it can be any character or set of characters which are not enclosed in double quotation. Variables are also of two types: numeric variables and alphanumeric variables. Now what is numeric variable? They can be a single character or a set of characters. For example, AB2, like this. And what is alphanumeric characters? They begin with letters, or you can say a set of letters, but they always end with a dollar sign, like AB dollar, A dollar, like this. And now we can assign their value, like $a is equal to computer science, or $a is equal to computer studies, or AB. Now it is a numeric variable. AB is equal to -92, like this. Now let's learn about the end statement. So end statement is, it indicates termination of a program. It is basically written at the last, when you have done the program, then it is written at the last of the program, and it is also an optional statement. You can write or you may not write. It is basically used to debug the program so that the output of the program is error free. Now let's learn about the print statement. It is used to display any data on the output screen. Suppose you want to display print statement, you want to display what is my name, this word, this statement, this sentence in the output screen. So what we will write, print, then in double quotation marks you have to write what is my name. Then in the output screen, QBASIC will show you that sentence, what is my name. So like that it is used. We will solve programs at the last, where I will show you how all this works. Now let's learn about some of the commands, basic commands. These are all the basics. Okay, I'm not going to higher level. I am just teaching you some of the basic commands, or the basic statements that I used in QBasic. Now what are commands? So commands is a single instruction in a program that is given to a computer to do specific tasks, and they are written in just single words. Okay, so let's learn about some commands. Number one, cls. It is the basic command that is written while we start the program. While the program is start, we write the cls command at the first line of the program. It is written also like end statement to debug, to clear the screen. It means clear screen command. This is known as a clear screen command. It clears the screen. If you have written any program before the current program that you are writing, so it clears that screen so that the output is error free. It just debugs the program. Now the second one is run. So run, this command is used to run a program, to get the output of a program. How we can use run? There is an option in the QBASIC screen of run. You can click there, and you can then click on start on the drop down list, or you can press F5 in your keyboard to run that program, and then QBASIC will give the output of that program that you have written. So these were some of the basic statements and commands that are used in QBASIC programming. Now let's do some programming in our computer to so that we can understand these statements, its commands more easily. Alright friends, so let's start with our programming. As you can see, I am on my QBASIC screen on my computer. If you don't know how to download, how to install QBASIC, you can watch my first video on QBASIC that is given in the I button. Alright, so let's start our programming. We will start our programming with the print statement. As I have told you earlier, the print statement is basically used to display any kind of sentence or any kind of data on the output screen. So first of all, we will do some programming with print statement with numeric constants. As I have told you earlier, numeric constants are basically the numbers, positive or negative. So to print numbers in the output screen, first of all, as I have told you, we have to write the cls command first to clear the screen. Cls command means clear screen, so it clears the everything we have to write in capital letters. Okay, so I will turn on my caps lock, and first of all we will write cls, then click on enter. So we will jump to the next slide. Now to print the numeric constant, we have to just write print, print, and then the constant that we have to print on the output screen. For example, 45. So we'll write print 45, then enter, then type end. Why we have to write end? as I have told you earlier, end statement, it is written to basically debug the output screen. And now you can press F5 on your keyboard, or you can click on run and then click on start, and see it is creating an exe file, which is the output screen, and it takes some time. You have to give some time to your QBASIC to provide you with the output of your program. So you can see it's starting the program, and now it has printed that output, that is 45, right? So it's very simple to do that. Now you can press any key on your keyboard to continue, as you can see here. So I'll press one key, and now it's done. Now I will cut this out. Alright. Now if you want to display any kind of a sum on your computer, so what you will do? Print, first of all we have to write CLS, then print, suppose for example 70 plus 45, it's a sum, so we have to display it in our output screen. So we will write here 70 plus 45, then we will click on enter and then type end, and then click F5, and it is again creating an .exe file, which is our output screen, and it takes several minutes to do this. It is then starting the program, and as you can see your output is 115, means 115. So it was so simple to do some mathematical operations in QBASIC, right? It does mathematical operations very simply. Now we'll press any key, and I will cut this out again. Now suppose print, we will use now print statement with numeric variables and numeric constants. Alright, so here we will use let statement first and then the print statement. So suppose we will write here first of all CLS, that is clear screen. It will clear the screen for you. Then what we have to write is let, suppose a numeric variable is a, so we'll give a, then give equal to. Always after let a we have to give equal to, or let any kind of numeric variable, then equal to, and then you can give the numeric constant, for example 36, by giving space. Okay, we have to give space, then 36, then enter, and then we will give print a. Since we have given the value of a as 36, then it will print 36 for us. Then end, and then F5 on your keyboard, and it's again creating an .exe file, that is your output screen, and starting the program. And now as you can see it has given 36, since we have given print a, so it has print 36 on the output screen. Again type any key. Now let's cut this out. Alright, now suppose again we have to give a sum on this, right? So what we will do here, CLS to clear the screen, then let, suppose a is a numeric variable, then equal to, and then we will give the number, suppose 25, enter. Then we have to again give let, since we have to do a sum, so we have to assign two values to two variables. So we will give again let b, suppose for example, then equal to, and then the number, suppose for example 75, then click on enter. And now to find the sum we have to give another variable let c, then equal to, we have to give a plus b, a and then plus and b, then click on enter. And now we have to give print c, since c is the sum, that is a plus b, then we have to give here print c. click on enter, and at the last, as I have told you, end to debug it. And then click on F5 on your keyboard, and it is again creating an .exe file. It's starting the program, and as you can see, it has printed 100 on the output screen. So it was so simple to do some mathematical operations also, and as well as like this only you can do some subtraction, some that is some kind of multiplication, some kind of division, which I will tell you later on about how to do this kind of things, that some mathematical tasks in QBASIC that I am telling you later. First we do some of these programs on the print statement. Alright, so let me delete this. Now we will again do print statement only. For now we will do print statement with alphanumeric constant. As earlier we have done print statement with numeric constants. Now we will do print statement with alphanumeric constants. As I have told you earlier, what are alphanumeric constants? They comprise of strings, that is, they can be alphabets or they can be numbers, but they are always enclosed within double quotes. Okay. So now we will do with alphanumeric constant. So we will do first print statement with alphanumeric constant only, then we will do another thing, that is print statement with alphanumeric variables and alphanumeric constants, as we have done it with numeric constants and numeric variables and numeric constants both earlier. So we will do like this. So first of all we have to give CLS, then enter. Now suppose you want to print some kind of message on your output screen, like welcome to my channel, like that. So what you have to do is print, then give double quotation marks, and inside that double quotation mark we have to give all that. Suppose you can write here in small letters, then again on the next line we can write print, then here, then we will give here two then we can give again print, like that. You can print, or you can print in just one line also. Come to my and then you can give is print channel, enter, and then you can give the end statement, and then F5. So it's again creating an .exe file, which is the output screen, starting the program. And as you can see, it has printed welcome to my channel. You can also print it in one line only by just here welcome to my channel, like this. You can just do that thing. Oh, no problem, I will cut this out. Alright, so now another program, that is with print statement with alphanumeric variables and alphanumeric constants. So we have to give again CLS, then here we will use alphanumeric variables and alphanumeric constants. So suppose A, as I have told you, we have to give a $sign after every alphanumeric variable, then equal to, and then we can write here suppose welcome, then here we can give $, for example, $, equal to 2, then we can give suppose $C, we can give equal to, then double quotation mark, and then my channel, then enter. And then now we can print all this by just print. First we have to give $, then print, we will give $B, then we will give print $C, and then end, and then press F5, and it's creating an .exe file again. It's starting the program, and it has again print welcome to my channel. So it was so easy to do that, right? It is very simple to do these things in QBASIC. Now let's know something about this mathematical task. Here we will just know about the signs that are used in mathematical tasks. For addition, we use a plus sign. In syntax, we can say that a plus b. Then we can give subtraction, symbol used, that is subtraction that we normally use, and in syntax that is a minus b. In multiplication, we use the asterisk or star sign, and the syntax is simply a asterisk b. In division, we use the forward slash, and the syntax is again a forward slash b. And exponent, that is to give the power of any type of variable or any type of number, we use this exponential sign, and syntax is a exponential b. So this was some mathematical tasks in QBASIC. Now let's do another program. Suppose a program to find sum, difference and product of two numbers using the let statement, and we have to display the output in the same line. Okay, so how to do that? First of all, as we know, we have to give the CLS, click on enter, then let a equal to suppose 65. For example, this is an example. Then we can give let b equal to 25. Like this you can solve your mathematical problems. Then you can give let sum, we can say, equal to a plus b, a plus b. Then let difference equal to a minus b, a minus b. Then let product equal to a asterisk b. Then if we need to find the that is find the product, sum and difference in the same line, what we have to do is just type print, then we have to give sum comma difference, spelling should be correct, comma product. Click on enter, give end, and then press F5 on your keyboard, and it's creating an .exe file. It's starting the program, and as always it has given us the output, and it was very simple to do that. So these were some of the programs that we learned today. We will learn more programs in our next video. I hope you like this video. Like it, click on the like button below, share it with your friends, subscribe my channel with bell icon. It really motivates me to make this kind of videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Stay safe.